Hi guys, welcome to another short video of me opening a package from Hypedrop. I'm gonna open it. I think it's the Supreme t-shirt. Let's see. It's another bag of StockX. And inside indeed a t-shirt of Supreme. Let's see what else is inside. Another ticket. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Another sticker also, and from StockX. So this is the Supreme t-shirt. It was a large. If you're still pissed, throw dog shit on their windows or something. Thanks again, Supreme. Very nice, Supreme. Thank you. Yeah, this is it for this video. Once again, a short one. Earlier today I got my little water gun. It was also a short one. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.